How's it going, everybody? We've got some awesome Lifeproof flooring in stock. We are overflowing with Lifeproof vinyl click. And we've got 5 awesome colors. We've got the Walnut Glen, Glastonbury Grove Oak. Then we're going to come over here. We've got Garden Circle, Meadowlark Maple, and Woodrow Way. Now, the awesome part about Lifeproof, really great wear layer, really durable. All of these are 6.5 millimeters thick. These two right here have a 22 mil wear layer, and then the ones over here, a 28 mil wear layer. Now that is super scratch resistant. Both are great options, but this one's like an awesome commercial grade wear layer. And you know the big box store that carries this? They charge $3.50 a square foot. Now we're at $209 for these two options and $225 a square foot for these options. So they're charging 50% more. You want to come down to Show Flooring and get these awesome deals. And if you need help installing, we can do that too. Just send us a message. We can get an estimate set up for you, or you can give us a call. But either way, we do have a ton of this, but you know, who knows how long it's going to last, because we have these awesome prices. So get in here fast. Thanks for watching.